नमस्कार, हांव मिलन वांयगणकार तथागत वार्ता खातीर आणि आमचे बरोबर आसात आमचे एक गोंयकार जे भायर आसता आणि ग्लोबल गोवन असोसिएशन ही जी संस्था आसा ताजे मुखेली आसात ते अध्यक्ष आसात आणि पुराय ग्लोबातले जे आमचे गोंयकार भाव आसात तांकां एकठांय हाडून तांचे जे प्रश्न आसात जावं कांय ज्यो गजाली घडटात ताजे संदर्भान तांकां एकठांय हाडून तांकां जागे करप आणि तांचे ज्यो समस्या आसात तांचे प्रश्न आसात ते सुटावे करपा खातीर ते वावुरतात आणि हालींच तांच्यांनी गोंयांत येवन ग्लोबल गोवा असोसिएशन ह्या बॅनरा सकयल तांच्यांनी एक मिटींग घेतली आणि तातूंत जे प्रश्न आसात आमचे जे गोंयकार भाव आसात भायर जे थंय राबितो करून आसात आणि यो वच करपी आसात NRI आसात तांचे प्रश्न हांगासर मांडल्यात आणि त्या संदर्भान आयज आमी हांगासर तांचे कडेन उलयतात. सर आसात आमचे बरोबर सायमन डिसिल्वा. गुड इवनिंग सर. तुमकां येवकार मना काळजांतल्यान येवकार तुमकां.
थँक्यू.
म्हाका एक सांगा, हे ग्लोबल गोवा असोसिएशन हे तुमी कित्याक आनी केन्ना फॉर्म केले?
ओके, हे एक्चुअली फॉर्म करपाक कारण म्हणल्यार कोविड-19 टायमार जायते OCI कार्ड होल्डर्स हांकां एंट्री इन इंडिया वॉज बॅन्ड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया आनी आमचे गोंयकार जायते UK आहाय पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट घेवन आतां सगळे हेल्ड अप जावन उरले, कोणा येवपाक मेळना. थोडे गोंयकार ऑस्ट्रेलिया US आहाय तांकां येवपाक मेळना, जाय येवपाक सोदताले. आनी त्या टायमार आय वॉज इन टच विथ मोस्ट ऑफ द दोन्स ग्लोबली, कित्याक जायते लोक स्ट्रेंड आसले तांकां येवपाक मेळना. इवन काटेसानान चार्टर फ्लायट केल्ले, कोण उरले ते आहाय येवपाक मेळना त्या लोकांक गोंय हाडपाक. सो तेन्ना इट केम इन माय मायंड, हे लोकांक मोस्टली UK कोण आहाय ते आमचे पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट तांकां इतलो हुस्काल्लो कित्याक तांकां येवपाक मेळना. तेंगे घर भात माय बाय भाव भयणी भुरगीं सगळीं हिंगा आहाय आनी तांकां येवपाक मेळना. बिकॉज OCI कार्ड होल्डर्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर इंडिया. सो तेन्ना हांवें चिंतलें we should not try dual citizenship for these people and demand the government of India with the support of Goa government. So हे करपाक म्हाका 2 वर्स लागले. सगळ्यांक मेळपाक हांव गेलो UK लंडन गेलो, जायपाडी लोकांक मेळ्ळो, फायंड आवट केलें सगळ्यांक त्रास आहाय, सगळ्यांक dual citizenship जाय. Then I went to US, I traveled to Middle East, Goa आनी सगळ्यांक उरलो एंड इवन पॉलिटिशियनाक उलयलो, लॉयरांक उलयलो एंड एवरीबडी थॉट need of an hour dual citizenship. So now how to get people under one platform? So I thought with two of my friends, we need one platform to gather the community together under one platform. So it took us 2 years. When I traveled, I shared this idea. Everybody voluntarily came forward and supported, fully supported. Then Motin the normal dual citizen Korea. So to do that, we need a platform. So let's name the platform Global Goan Association. And then I choose like-minded people. Now we have more than 25 countries represented in this association, and all are ready to work for our goals and global goals. And this is how this has formed.
How many members you have, sir?
As of now, we have more than 25 countries represented. And membership we have opened now from 10th January onwards, because we want members to join through online. They have a form to be filled up. They have a website. In the end, I'll give you the website name so that people can go to that website and make membership online. There is a minimum charge to become a member. So I will give you that website link in the end once we finish our chat. So 10th of May we registered. We got a registration done after making all the rules, regulations, constitution, MOA, everything. And 11th May, we introduced this in association because I'm also leading one association in Qatar for the last 24 years. So we had one mega event called Signature Event May Bengal. So that day we had a soft opening when our guests were there. And then to complete all administrative process, it took some more time. And 10th January was an appropriate day to launch in a big way in Goa. And for our good luck, our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable NRI Commissioner, and our architect who is doing all the paperwork, MLA, Advocate Carlos Pereira, was also there. So with this blessing, we launched and we invited all the political parties, all the section of community, businessmen, industrialists. We invited most of the people whoever we could reach. So it's a non-political, non-profit making, and non-religious. It's an organization who for the government, by the government, and of the government.
So what exactly the dual citizenship problem right now? The government doesn't want to continue it, or what exactly?
See, in India, as per constitution, we don't have dual citizenship. But most of the countries around the world, they have dual citizenship. And it's the time now, because India is also rapidly developing and our population is spread all over the world. And if we have dual citizenship, then we have our rights. We have our right to vote. We can have our agriculture property. We can have government jobs. Now with OCI card, all these rights are gone, because once you surrender your Indian passport, you can go for OCI, which is almost permanent visa type. But you lack all this facility. And there is always a risk, like how during COVID time OCI card holders stopped entering. And if that happens back again in the course of time, so that fear is there. So people, see, mostly grown. Their heart, soul, mind is in Goa. Only they are, because of the economic reason, they are outside Goa. They work outside just because to take care of a family there, to do their better living. That's the only reason they have taken for Portuguese passport. It's not that they want to be citizen of Portugal and citizen of UK or other countries. And that passport has opened, it become a gateway. The whole European Union, you can go with that passport. So I would say dual nationality is required at this point of time.
Is it only?
Very high time.
Is it only in Goa or nationwide?
See, Goans has a special category. Those who were born 19 December 1961 before, they are Portuguese citizens considered by birth. So we have a special category, because when Portuguese left, they gave one gift. Portuguese passport, Portuguese nationality for those were born before 19 December. Other people, other Indians who are in India, they don't have this facility. So we are fortunate, by birth we are Portuguese, and then we became Indian. So it is as a special category, government of India should honor to give dual citizenship, especially those who are having Portuguese passport. And if they give it to all Indians, that is good for all Indians, because there are community from Punjab, Gujarat, Kerala are also demanding, also looking forward to this. It will definitely benefit, because most of these people are in Europe, US, and everyone is looking for dual citizenship. It will help, it will bring a lot of investment also back in India.
So what is the reason you think that government doesn't want dual citizenship?
I don't say government doesn't want, but government has to give a bit thought in this, and they have to work on this, look into this very deeply, because there are debates going on that level. So I'm sure that debates will favor for the government to consider decisions to have dual citizenship. And I'm very positive that government is seriously looking into this. And the way we demand, maybe more people also will demand from other states. But ours is a special case because Portuguese ruled 450 years and they gave us a gift. If anybody wants to become like recently Portugal, they had an exhibition in Qatar and they exhibited property exhibition, and those who invest minimum 500,000 Qatari real can become national of Portugal. So they have to invest 500,000 Qatari real, whereas Goans, they don't have to spend anything. It's a free gift. So why to lose this opportunity Portugal gave us? So government of India should seriously think, and government of Goa should take a strong effort in convincing the union government.
What will be the, as you said, people will lose their land, their houses, their own people. So how it can be tackled? What can be done?
See, people are already losing because when people move to Europe or other part of the world, then they get used to that land. And it's not always feasible to come back to Goa. There is distance, there is expense. And when they stay longer period, that side, they get used to that area. And then when you don't come here, there are a lot of crooks. They overnight sell your land, making duplicate papers and what everything is happening in Goa. And that is what happened. And a lot of people, they lost their properties, ancestral properties. So all this will be protected, all this they will get their rights. And it's very difficult to fight from that part of the world and come here and fight with these people. So this will really help a lot of people, a lot of Indian people.
What step you people, the people who are outside NRI, going to take if this is not being done by the government?
Nothing is impossible. As I said when we launched, I quoted French Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. He said to his people, impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. So nothing is impossible. So we have to try until we succeed.
And what message you want to give to our Goans and our NRIs, our Goan brothers who are spread all over the globe?
Right now, I will say to our Goans at home and Goans globally, let us come together, work together, and be part of this association. Enroll yourself as a member. Let's make a big organization. Let's make a powerful body, because people is power. So come, click our website link and be a member. www.globalgoanassociation.com, and be a member, be part of it. Let's make a strong umbrella for the Goans at home and Goans globally.
Thank you so much, sir. आमचे बरोबर आशिल्ले आमचे जे NRI आसात सर सायमन डिसिल्वा, आणि ह्या मॅसेजी बरोबरूच हांव तांचे खातीर म्हणजे तांचे एक हे आसा, तांचो एक गूण आसा, ते म्हटल्यार एक कलाकारूय आसात. आणि तांची ती कला म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीन ते हे करतात, तियात्रां म्हणा जावं तांचो आवाजूय एक ब्युटिफूल आवाज आसा तांकां, वॉयस तांचो आसा. सर म्हाका एक सांगा, तुमी आतां उलयतात आसतना आमी उलयता आसतना एक हें घेवया की तुमच्या भितरली जी कला आसा, आर्ट आसा, ते तुमी कशें हाव यू मेंटेन इट?
It's natural. So when you have something natural and when you have a God-given talent, nobody can steal it and it doesn't get rusted. So anytime and whenever it is required and if we have performed, we do perform.
So any further anything you have in mind?
Right now, the only one thing is making round dual nationality. Because you know these days, ACI issue, people are suffering when they go to renew their passports are revoked and they become stateless. So this is the main issue, main cause. We have to get our state back. We have to get our rights back. So this is the main issue, to sit with the government and pursue it further.
Any meetings with government authorities or anything regarding this?
Yes, there are a lot of strategies that we have worked out, lot of plans. As and when time comes, we will reveal to your channel also, and we will also want all the people to know. And we have our representatives in the Global Bone Association. They will take the message in different parts of the world. So it's a big umbrella. Message will be put out as and when the things are coming out.
Will go aware only the Goan people or the nationwide people who are outside India?
It begins at home first. So first we will talk to our people. And if it is required, then why not? We will reach out all India. But don't first, and then if it is required, definitely we will reach out to more people and more India. Thank you.
थँक्यू सो मच सर. आज तथागत वार्ताच्या ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर आमचे बरोबर सायमन सिल्वा सर आसात आणि त्यांच्यानी आमचे जे गोवन भाव जे आसात आणि त्यांच्या म्हणणे प्रमाणे मुखेलपणान आमचे गोंयकार जे भाव भायर आसात तांचे खातीर तांकां तांचो हक्क तांचो न्याय मेळोवपा खातीर तांचो सद्याक जे काम चालू आसा ग्लोबल गोवन असोसिएशनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ते काम तांचे ते मुखार व्हरत आसात आणि आज ते तथागत वार्ताच्या ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर येवन तांच्यांनी आमचे कडेन हें जें म्हणणें आसा आनी एक उलो मारला आमच्या सबंद गोंयकारां खातीर की फकत भायर आसा तांच्यांनीच न्ही जाल्यार कोणूय तांच्या ह्या असोसिएशनाचो मेंबर जावपाक शकता आनी तांची स्ट्रेंथ वाडोवन जे गोंयकार भाव आमचे आसात आमच्या गोंयकारांची जी समस्या आसा जो प्रॉब्लम आसा तो सॉल्व करपा खातीर एकठांय येवपाचो तांच्यांनी उलो मारिल्लो आसा. हांव तांकां हांगासर आयिल्ल्या बद्दल खूब खूब धन्यवाद दिता आनी तांच्या उल्याक आमच्या सबंद गोंयकारांनी साथ दिवचो ओ म्हणचे आनी तांची जी ताकद आसा ती वाडोवची आनी तांचो जो प्रश्न आसा तांचो म्हटल्यार तो आमचोच गोंयकारांचोच आमचो प्रश्न आसा. आयज ते आसात फाल्यां सकाळीं आमी कोणूय आसूंक शकता तेन्ना आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन एकठांय येवन हो प्रश्न जो आसा ड्युअल सिटीजनशिपाचो तो प्रश्न आमी सोडोवपा खातीर ह्या असोसिएशनाक हातभार लावपाक जाय असो तांचो उलो आसा आनी त्या उल्याक आमी जाप दिवया साथ परत दिवया तांकां. आनीक आयज ते हांगासर आयिल्ल्या बद्दल सर तुमकां खूब खूब धन्यवाद. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी तुमच्या ह्या कामान तुमकां बेगीनूच यश आवडेता आनी हांगासर आयिल्ल्या बद्दल तुमकां परत एकदां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
थँक्यू टू यू and your channel much here and support us like this always and आमची message help us to reach out to our maximum level all over the world. Thank you.
थँक्यू सर.